Very good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are doing good, right? Okay. So today we are going to learn addition of capacities. Okay, so we are going to add the capacities. Okay, so exercise 9.2, third problem. Okay, add the capacities. Okay, first one 15 kiloliter, 160 liter and 9 kiloliter, 75 liter. So we are going to add these two capacities. Okay. So first thing what we have to do, we have to separate the units. Okay. And then normal addition. Okay. So solution. So the units are kiloliter and liter. Here also kiloliter and liter. So separate the units kiloliter and liter. Okay, and write the values below these units. Okay, and first one is 15 kiloliter. So write 15 below this kiloliter. Okay, and 160 liter. So write 160 below this liter. Okay, and the second capacity is 9 kiloliter. So write this 9 below this kiloliter. So you have to write 9 here in the ones place, not here. So you can write 0 also, 09. Okay, and 75 liter. So you have to write 075. Okay, not, you should not write like this. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, you have to write like this. Okay, 075. Okay, children. So now the normal addition. Okay, so starting from right hand side. Okay, so 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, and 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So write this 3 in the answer and carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay, and now add. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 0 is 2. So write 2. Okay, and next add 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. So write 4 in the answer and carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay, and now add 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so the answer is 24 kiloliter and 235 liter. Okay, this is the answer. 24 kiloliter and 235 liter. Okay, so we will do one more problem. Okay, B 3 liter and 55 milliliter. The second capacity is 8 liter and 74 milliliter, and the third capacity is 12 liter and 135 milliliter. Okay, so we are going to add these three capacities. Okay, so first step what we have to do, we have to separate the units. Okay, so what are the units are there? Liter and milliliter. So write liter and milliliter separately. Okay, and write the values below these units. Okay, so first capacity is 3 liter 55 milliliter. So write 3 below this liter and write 55 below this milliliter. Okay, so here I have written 055. Why? Because here we have 3-digit number 135. Okay, so you can write 055. Okay, and the second capacity is 8 liter 74 milliliter. So you have to write this 8 below this liter and write 74 below this milliliter. 074. Okay, and the third capacity is 12 liter and 135 milliliter. So write this 12 below this liter and write this 135 below this milliliter. Okay, so now we shall add like normal addition. Okay, so starting from right hand side. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is 9 and 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. So write this 4 in the answer and carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay, and now add 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 7 is 13 and 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 is also a 2-digit number. So write this 6 in the answer and carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay, so now add 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So write 2 here. Okay, and now we shall add this. Okay, 3 plus 8 is 11 and 11 plus 2 is 13. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So what we have to do? We have to write this 3 in the answer and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. And now add 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 23 liter and 264 milliliter. Okay, that is the answer. Is it clear, children? So we shall do one more problem. Okay, see, 7 kiloliter and 115 liter. Second capacity is 84 kiloliter, 70 liter, and third capacity is 21 kiloliter and 210 liter. Okay, so the main thing is you have to write the numbers clearly. Okay, here you can write 07. Okay, 84. Okay, so here 115 and 070. 115 you have to write here 70 only. This is the right method. Okay, so you cannot write 70 here. It is wrong. Okay, so you have to write the numbers accordingly. Okay, children, the place values. Okay, directly below the place values. Okay, so first one is 7 kiloliter. So first you have to separate the units and you have to write their values below the units. Okay, so first one is 7 kiloliter and 115 liter. Okay, and the second one is 84 kiloliter. So write 84 below this kiloliter. 70 liter. So write 70 below this liter according to the place value. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, otherwise you will get wrong answer. Okay, and the third one is 21 kiloliter and 210 liter. Okay, so now we shall add like normal addition. So we have to start from the right hand side. Okay, so 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 0 is 5. So write 5 here. Okay, and now add 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, and next one is 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So write 3 here. Okay, And now add 7 plus 4 is 11. And 11 plus 1 is 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. So write 2 in the answer and carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay. And now add 1 plus 8 is 9. And 9 plus 2 is 11. So we can write 11 in the answer because no other numbers are here. Okay. So we can directly write 11 in the answer. Okay. So the answer is 112 kiloliter and 395 liter. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. So first you have to separate the units. Okay, and then you have to write the values below their units. Okay, and be careful while writing the numbers. Okay, you have to write the numbers according to the place value. Okay, children. So next one is subtraction. So till now we have learned how to add the capacities and the lengths and weights. Right? So now we are going to learn the subtraction. Okay. So first problem, 25 meter and 60 centimeter from 82 meter 56 centimeter. So we are going to subtract this 25 meter 60 centimeter from 82 meter 56 centimeter. Okay. So which one has to be written first? So we are going to subtract this from this. Right. So we have to write this one first. Okay. So first you have to separate the units. Okay. What are the units they have given? Meter and centimeter. So write meter and centimeter. So we are going to subtract this from this. So we have to write this first. Okay. So 82 meter. So write 82 below this meter and 56 centimeter. So write 56 below this centimeter. Okay. Minus 25 meter. So write 25 below this meter and 60 centimeter. So write 60 below this centimeter unit. Okay. So now we are going to subtract. Okay. Not addition. It's normal subtraction. Okay. So starting from the right hand side. Okay. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Okay. And next one is 5 minus 6. It is not possible, right? Because 5 is smaller than 6. So we cannot subtract 6 from 5. So what we have to do? We have to borrow, right? We have to borrow. So this will become 1 and this will become 15, right? This will become 15. So 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay, 15 minus 6 is 9. And next here 1 minus 5. It is not possible, right? Because 1 is less than 6. So we cannot subtract 6 from 1. So what we have to do? We have to borrow, right? So this will become 7 and this will become 11, right? 10 plus 1 is 11. So now subtract 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay, so write 6 in the answer. And next one is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so write 5 in the answer. So the final answer is 56 meter and 96 centimeter. Okay, 56 meter and 96 centimeter. Okay, is it clear? So the method is same, but if they ask to addition, then you have to add. Okay, and if they are asking to do subtraction, then you have to subtract. Okay, the next problem, 34 kilometer 45 meter from 74 kilometer 120 meter. Okay, subtract 34 kilometer 45 meter from 74 kilometer and 120 meter. So first you have to separate the units, kilometer, meter. Okay, and then you have to write this length first, because we are going to subtract this length from this length, right? So we have to write this length first. Okay, so 74 kilometer. So write 74 below this kilometer unit. Okay, and 120 meter. So write 120 below this meter. Okay, and the second length is 34 kilometer. So write 34 below this kilometer unit and 45 meter. So write 45 below this meter. So I have written 045. Okay, according to the place value. Okay, we should not write here 45. This is wrong. Okay, so now it is normal subtraction. Okay, so 0 minus 5, is it possible? No, we cannot subtract 5 from 0, right? So we have to borrow, right? 110. So this will become 1 and this will become 10. Okay, now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. So write in the answer. Okay, and next one is 1 minus 4. It is also not possible, right? Because 1 is less than 4, right? So we have to borrow 110. So this will become 0 and this will become 10. Sorry, 11, right? 11. So now 11 minus 11. So now 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. So write 7 in the answer. Okay. And in the next place, 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. And now subtract this. 4 minus 4 is 0. And next 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. So the final answer is 40 kilometer and 75 meter. Okay. 40 kilometer and 75 meter. Okay, children. So we shall do one more problem. Okay. Subtract 6 gram 720 milligram from 34 gram 175 milligram. So first we have to separate the units. Okay, so the units are gram and milligram. So separate gram and milligram, and we have to write this weight first. Okay, because we are going to subtract this weight from this weight, right? So we have to write this weight first. Okay, so 34 gram. So write 34 below this gram unit, and 175 milligram. So write 175 below this milligram unit. Okay, and the second weight is 6 gram. So write this 6 below this gram unit, 06. Okay, you have to Okay, you have to be very careful while writing this numbers. Okay, and 720 milligram. So write 750 below this milligram unit. Okay, so now we are going to subtract these two weights. Okay, starting from right hand side. Okay, so 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay, and 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, and then in the next place 1 minus 7. So it is not possible because 1 is less than 7, so we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow 1 10, right? So this will become 3. This will become 11. Okay, and now 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. So write 4 in the answer. Okay, and in the next place 3 minus 6. It is not possible, right? We cannot subtract 6 from 3. So borrow 110. So it will become 2 and it will become 13. So 13 minus 6. Now 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay. And the last one, 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay. So the answer is 27 gram and 455 milligram. Okay. What is the answer? 27 gram and 455 milligram. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay, children. Have you all understood? Yes. Okay, so if in the first step you have to separate the units, okay, and then you have to write their values below their units, okay, and then if it is addition, then it is going to be a normal addition, okay. If it is subtraction, then it is going to be a normal subtraction, okay. But only thing is you have to be very careful while writing the values according to the place value. Okay, children. So practice all the problems given in your textbook on your own and copy down these problems in your notebook. Okay, children. So study well. I'll meet you in the next class. Okay. Thank you.